Hi, now we are going to discuss about what is shallow copy and deep copy. So there are two types of copies available in the Python data types, like be it a list or dictionary. It is applicable for everything. So we will see the difference between the shallow copy and deep copy. The shallow copy is the outlier copy and deep copy is the deeper copy. We will see with the help of the examples now. Let's create a list with numbers. So I'm just going to create a list within the list. So this is the list where I have a two-dimensional list within the list. Now we are going to discuss about shallow copy versus deep copy and what is the difference between them. So these copies are available in the copy library. So let's import the copy library. And inside that I have a copy and deep copy. There is a two methods available. The copy method is used to take the shallow copy and deep copy is used to take the deep copy. So I'm just naming it accordingly. Since I'm going to take the shallow copy, I'll name it as nums underscore yes equal to copy of the nums. So I'm taking the nums as a copy to nums underscore yes by using copy.copy. So it is a shallow copy. Now let's print nums and nums underscore yes, both are same. Now if I want to add a element or remove the element, which means if I'm modifying the one list, we are going to see whether the other list is getting changed or not. Ideally it should not, but how does the shallow copy is working is what we are going to see now. Let's add one element by using append, let's say number 8. So the 8 will get added in nums because we use nums.append of 8. But the backup that we took, if I check the value of the nums underscore s, there is no changes. So let's try to add in nums underscore yes by using extend. Let's say I'm going to give 100, 200 added at the end of the list. So it will be there only in nums underscore yes, not in the nums because they are independent as of now. Until now, they are independent. But when I'm trying to make the changes on the inner element of the list, let's say nums of 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Nums of 3 is going to be 4, 5, 6. Here, if I make any changes, let's append one value. It happens in the nums, right? This is the list where we added 7 in the inner list. But at the same time, if I look the backup that I took, a shallow copy I took, there also I see the changes. So the shallow copy means if I make any changes in the outer element, there is no impact in the other list. But if I make the changes in the inner element, that will be reflected in the both source and the shallow copy list. So that is what the shallow copy. But if you don't want to make any connections between the two lists or both source and copy, then we need to go for the deep copy. So deep copy can be done by using the copy.deep copy. So I'm just naming it as accordingly. Let's print what is nums. So this is the nums. So now here I'm going to say nums underscore d is equal to copy.deep copy of the source nums. Now let's print nums and nums underscore d both are same. Now we do any changes. There will not be any impact in the other list. I'm going to add one value at the nums at the end of the nums. So 9 get added at the end of the nums, but nums underscore d there is no changes. Okay. So if I try to add on the inner element nums of 3, here I try to remove, let's say remove number 7. So number 4. Now 4 has been removed. Let's print nums. So here I removed 4 from the nums, but nums underscore d might not get any impact because they are completely independent. So the shallow copy is outlier elements are independent and inner elements are having reference to each other. Any changes I do on the inner list will be impacted in the other list if it is a shallow copy. Or the other way, if it is a deep copy, they are completely independent. Whatever the changes we make in the one list, it will not be impacted in the other list. So that is the difference between the shallow copy and deep copy. I hope these examples makes very clear. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.